Subscribe to MasterChef Mom and press the bell icon to get all the recipe updates.
There are so many different varieties of pickles, and who doesn't love pickles? Today I'm going to share 3 instant yummy pickle varieties that you can make in a jiffy. The gooseberry pickle, the raw mango pickle, and the ginger, jaggery and tamarind pickle with green chilies. Without delay, let's see how I made these 3 pickle varieties. Hi all! Welcome to MasterChef Mom. To make this instant mango pickle or the pesaramanga, you will need mangoes, raw mangoes. I have washed it nicely and dried it with a cloth. Then red chili powder, I am using Kashmiri chili powder, fenugreek powder, that is a methi powder, turmeric powder and salt. Now let's start cutting the raw mango. So we are going to cut the mango with the skin. This is the size of the mango that I am going to cut. So the mangoes are cut. Once the mango is cut, it's going to just take us 5 minutes for us to make this pickle. So let me add all the masalas. First I am adding turmeric powder. Next I am adding red chili powder. You can use regular red chili powder. I am using Kashmiri chili powder. So adjust accordingly. Next I am adding methi powder. If you don't get methi powder, what you can do is you can dry roast a little fenugreek seeds and grind and keep it in a bottle. And whenever you want to make a pickle, you can use the powder. Next I am going to add salt. That's it. I have heated oil. This is sesame oil. And to the oil I am adding mustard seeds. That's it. Once the mustard seeds splutters, I will add it to the mango and I will mix it well. The mustard seeds have started spluttering. I am going to add this to the mango pickle mixture. I'm going to mix it well. Allow this to sit for a few hours and then we can transfer this to a jar, container, porcelain container. You can refrigerate and use this pickle for up to a month. Next we are going to make an instant amla pickle or the gooseberry pickle. For this we will need gooseberries, salt, Kashmiri chili powder, methi powder, turmeric powder, sesame oil, mustard seeds. Now let's start making this pickle. So first step, I have heated water in a vessel and I am going to add the gooseberries. Around 10 minutes and the gooseberries are now well cooked. You can see the partitions, they have started splitting. So the gooseberries are cooked now. I'm going to drain it in a colander like this. Okay, let it completely drain excess water and let it dry. Let it sit for around half an hour at least and then we will make the pickle. You see, the amla has cooled down completely and either you can make the pickle whole with the whole gooseberry or you can remove the sections like this and remove the seed. So the pan is hot. I am adding sesame oil. The oil is hot. I am adding mustard seeds. And once the mustard seeds starts to splutter, we are going to add the gooseberries. fry the gooseberries for a few seconds. And now we are going to add the spice powders. Turmeric powder, chili powder. You can use regular chili powder. I am using Kashmiri chili powder. It gives a great color to the pickle. And salt. Mix it well. Cook over low flame. Keep stirring just for a few minutes. Once it cools down, we can bottle this pickle and we can use it up till 15 to 20 days. And you can serve this pickle immediately. Our instant amla pickle is now ready. I am switching off. I'm going to share is fresh ginger pickle. This is called Inji Puli. This is a very famous dish in Onam Sadhya. Now for this you will need fresh ginger, 1/3 cup, 1/4 cup of green chilies and 1/4 cup of shallots. Next you will need sesame oil, mustard seeds, curry leaves, tamarind, jaggery, salt and turmeric powder. So the first step is you soak the tamarind in 3/4 cup of warm water, extract the juice nicely from that, filter and keep it aside in another vessel. If you want, you can use even store-bought tamarind paste. In that case, you can use 1.5 teaspoons of thick tamarind paste and dilute it with water, 3/4 cup of water. Now I am heating a pan and adding oil. So once the oil heats up, you add your mustard seeds. And when the mustard seeds starts to splutter, you can add your curry leaves. Curry leaves is optional, but adds a great flavor. Next you add your green chilies. Add your ginger. Mix it well. Now add your shallots. If you don't have shallots, you can skip this step, but if you add shallots, it adds great flavor. This has to fry well. All the moisture has to be absorbed, so let it fry nicely. This has been frying for around 7 minutes, and if you see, the onion and the chilies, ginger, everything has turned light brown. They have shrunk in size. Now I'm going to add the tamarind juice, tamarind extract. I'm also going to add salt. Mix well, and you can now add the jaggery powder. Let it boil and thicken nicely. See, all the extra moisture is absorbed, the oil is separated, the mixture has thickened, and our delicious puli inji is now ready. You must try this recipe, it smells divine in my kitchen. Now switching off. It was to make the 3 pickle recipes. They are super tasty. Do try and share your feedback with me. I'll see you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, happy cooking!